This is Syra. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Infinix S5 model. For your case, you first switch off the phone. Mine is already switched off because this video is very quick. You press the power volume up button and the power button. You long press. You don't just press and go, you long press. As you're going to see very quickly. If you see the Infinix logo, you give it like 5 seconds, then you release the power button. After releasing the power button, it will take you to another step. If you see this next step, it's OS, it says no command. So you release the volume up button, you place the volume down key and the power button plus the volume up key. So if you see this next step, you place the volume down key, power button and the volume up. You place volume down, power and volume up. It will take you to this next step. So this next step, you first come down here, you wipe capture partition, then you use this volume up key and down key to, you say yes. After you come to the factory reset and you wipe data, you place the power button, yes, power button. So anytime now your phone is ready to reboot, you reboot the phone. So for my case, I'm going to stop here. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe on my channel. I'm working on an Infinix S5. It can also work on other versions of Infinix. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Comment, like. I'm so fast I can reply anyone. Thank you.